68 miles an hour in a 45-mile-an-hour zone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's why you're here.
Okay, all right.
What part don't you understand?
All right. Well, by law, you're allowed to ask me for driver's license, proof of registration, and that's all you're allowed to ask me for, right? You're not allowed to get in my truck, correct?
Have I asked to get in your truck?
No, sir, but you asked me where it is in my truck.
Correct, because I want you to retrieve it from your vehicle, and I want to know where it's at before you get it.
I will go get it, okay?
Okay, my concern is those windows are extremely dark tinted.
You can follow me. You can hold my hand and follow me.
Can we get it from the passenger side of the
truck? Sir, you can't get in my truck at all.
Sir, you're not listening to me. Okay. Can you get it from the passenger
side? My truck, hit the U button, okay? There you go. There you have it, okay? All right.
68 miles an hour in a 45-mile-an-hour zone.
Never in my life have I ever been pulled over.
You've never been pulled over in your life?
No, sir, I have not. And you can pull that out of my license, and that will show up.
Were you in a big hurry tonight?
No, sir, I was on my way home.
227.
I'm allowed to reach past back here.
So what are you doing? You want Rob's card?
Yeah, Rob, right
okay.
Here. All right, look.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, you look.
Sir, I believe you.
You look when I peel it off, okay?
Okay, I believe you, sir. I don't.
And that way I have to take no more tests, all right?
Okay, I don't need to see your attorney's card.
That's all right. It's all right. I just want you to know. That way I take no more tests, and that way we're all perfectly legal, right?
Do no more tests. What tests have I had you do?
Well, and whatever you're going to have me do after this.
Well, why would I have you do any tests?
Okay.
Why would I have you take any tests, sir?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, once I made contact with you, I can smell a strong odor of an alcoholic beverage emanating from your breath.
Really?
Going with your what appear to be red, bloodshot, watery eyes.
Really?
Really. And you're.
How do you assume that?
Because I'm standing very close to you.
Oh, really?
I'm not assuming that. Sir, I'm not assuming. Take your hands out of your pocket.
And you assume that, right?
Sir, I'm not assuming anything. I'm telling you facts. Okay? You are showing signs of impairment.
And what is the fact?
And I would like you to do field sobriety exercises.
I won't do it. I don't have to.
No, sir. You do not have. You do not.
And like you said, my turn, drive Rush. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. No impairment?
No. And no, sir. Go ahead. There's no impairment at all. None.
I would disagree with your assumption at this point.
Well, that's your opinion. Opinions like assholes would both have one.
Unfortunately, I'm a trained DUI investigator,
yes,
so
sir,
my opinion counts a little more than...
My attorney, Rob Rush, is better than you are. Take me to jail.
Okay. So you're going to refuse to do field sobriety exercises?
Well, there is no such thing. You can't do that. There is no such thing as sobriety field test.
There's not?
No. No.
I disagree with you, sir.
Not. No, sir, there is not. You know that better than I do.
I mean, step over here. Bring him over here. Make sure he doesn't fall down.
Yes, sir. Whatever you want.
I want you to stand right here for me, sir, facing my patrol car.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to read you something. This is your implied consent warning.
Yes, sir.
By accepting the privileges extended by the laws of this state of operating a motor vehicle within the state, you have given implied consent to submit to chemical tests for intoxication.
Yes, sir.
Florida Statute 316.1932. If you refuse to take the test, your driver's license will be suspended for a period of 1 year by the state of Florida. You have been arrested on probable cause to believe you're driving under the influence. You're now required to take an approved chemical test for intoxication, and if you refuse, your driver's license will be suspended by the state of Florida for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or for a period of 18 months if your driving privilege has been suspended previously as a result of refusal to submit to such a test. Florida State Statute 322.261. Such refusal will be used against you in court. You understand what I just read you, sir?
I believe I do.
Okay.
But what I want to know is...
Yes, sir. Are you willing to give me
your badge, your badge, and your badge.
Are you willing to give me a breath sample,
Wait
sir?
a minute now. I want your badge, your badge, and your badge, because I wasn't pulled over for drinking and driving. You pulled me over for something else, and now you're going to pull that on me.
Sir, are you willing to give me a breath sample?
I want to make sure that all three of us are corresponding to this right now.
Sir,
what?
Are you willing to give me a breath sample when you get to the jail?
I'm not giving you nothing.
You're refusing?
Yes, sir, I am.
You're refusing?
Yes, sir, I am. I'm refusing.
Knowing that your license can be suspended for a year.
Doesn't matter, I'm refusing.
You're refusing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course, I'm going to give you proof.
Hold it.
Damn stupid.